And then I will talk about question 5. This calculates the expected utility on talk about the expected utility under option 1. Josephine present value wealth equals her current wealth plus the present values of inheritance. The utility function is the natural logarithm. Each utility outcome is weighted by the probability of the corresponding death year and soon. Every wealth value must be strictly positive because log is undefined at 0 or above. And then this function calculates the expected utility under option 2 for any loading. First, it's finding the corresponding insurance benefit. The fixed benefit is discounted according to the death year, adding to Josephine current value transferred by log utility weighted by death probability and soon. And then this defines the difference between expected utility under option 2 and option 1. Josephine is indifferent when this difference equals 0. Next, the unit row solve a one-dimensional equation. It's searched within the specific interval for the data where the utility difference equals 0. The lower bound is 0 because the loading is positive. The upper bound must remain below the level where the annuity premium alone exhausted grandma wealth. The dollar road component extract the numerical solution. And then I will talk about question 6. This create a wide range of initial wealth value. The actl generate 150 evenly spaced value on the log scale, and exp transfer them back to dollars. The logarithms spacing give detailed coverage across both small and very large wealth level. And then this code apply the road finding function to every initial wealth value. Each result is the loading that makes Josephine indifferent for that level wealth. Next, this combines the wealth, and then they will combine the wealth and corresponding indifferent loading in a data firm for plotting. Next, this draws the indifference loading against initial wealth. Scale x log 10. Use a logarithm horizontal x because wealth covers several order of magnitude. The downward sloping curve shows that philosophy accept a smaller loading as her existing wealth increase. And when she is initially poor, inheritance risk is more important relatively to total wealth, so the guarantee is more valuable. When she is already wealthy, the same inheritance uncertainty has less effect on utility. And that is all about my code explanation.